What's the meaning of athletic supporter? Athletic supporter. Athletic supporter.
Athletic supporter. Athletic supporter. An athletic supporter, also known as a jockstrap, is an undergarment designed to provide support and protection for the male genitalia during sports or other physical activities. It typically consists of an elastic waistband and a pouch that holds a hard cup or soft padding to protect against impact. The supporter helps prevent injury and discomfort by holding the genitalia close to the body, reducing movement and potential strain. While originally designed for men, there are versions available for women as well.